Out for the Lunar New Year celebration or just enjoying the outdoors. We had a wet one, but first and foremost, happy Lunar New Year.
Yes, right. I'm going to try to say it, okay?
Okay.
Chamong no moi.
Close.
Close?
Close.
Say it again.
Chúc mừng năm mới.
Oh, wow, he sounds so much better. Yes.
But I love the effort,
But the
though.
sentiment is there.
Thank
you know
you so
that,
much.
and I love that. Thanks for sharing that with us today.
Thank you.
Really appreciate that. That's really interesting. Well, you know what you said, if you're going out to celebrate, you'll definitely need an umbrella for sure. We have got rain in the forecast and, yeah, even a little bit of snow in some of the mountains. You look at the clouds overhead today. It's been soggy for most of the day. We had a little bit of a break this afternoon, and then the rain got heavy again, and it's still coming down across the area. The temperatures haven't budged. We're in the upper 30s still. We're at 39 in Burlington, as well as High Point, and 39 in Mocksville. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s over the mountains and foothills. Weather impact for the next several hours because that rain is still coming down. Wet roads overnight and for the morning commute. And again, we're going to add perhaps some snow showers with maybe some slick spots out there, just depending on where you are. Ashe, Watauga, as well as Grayson counties all along the spine of the Blue Ridge Mountains are under this winter weather advisory. So for us, that does include communities up there in Grayson County, as well as the eastern part of Ashe and Watauga. We could also get some wind gusts of 40, 50 miles an hour. That could knock down some tree limbs, also could knock down a power line here or there. Light amounts of snow expected. Highest elevations, west-facing slopes could see close to 1-2 inches of snow. This is not snow, but rain, and boy, it is heavy. Winston-Salem, Greensboro, High Point up toward Reedsville and Yanceyville. Heavy rain stretching back to the south and to the west. Heavy as well over Kernersville, and then southward down toward Thomasville, Midway, and Lexington, with heavy rain. The back edge, though, is starting to push into the Piedmont Triad. So over the next hour, we'll see this tapering off. We've had most of the heavier rains across the Triad, where we've seen anywhere between 1/2 inch in Winston-Salem to almost an inch in Asheboro and Lexington. Lesser amounts around 1/4 inch north and west. This is exactly where we need the heavy rains, those 1 inch plus totals along and east of I-95, and that's where we have a moderate drought right now. So we are trying to play catch up across the eastern part of the state. Now this is moving away, and then cold air, of course, rushing in behind, cold enough to transition to some snow in the mountains. So by tomorrow morning, there could be a lingering rain shower in the Triad, but we want to focus on this snow, especially along the west-facing slopes. So it will continue for most of the day tomorrow. That's why that winter weather advisory is up until about 4 o'clock. We're also going to have some clouds around. At times, there'll be a little bit of sun. I think what's really going to get your attention, what you're going to be talking about tomorrow, is the cold wind out of the northwest, 10 to 25 miles an hour. That means temperatures are in the mid to upper 40s, but it feels like it's in the 30s for most of the day. So yeah, jackets, heavy coats for sure for those kids too out tomorrow morning and even in the afternoon. 45 is the high for the foothills with wind gusts at 15 to 30 miles an hour. In the mountains, we've got winds 20 to 40 miles an hour, occasional snow flurries and or showers, temps in the mid 30s for highs. We'll look for accumulating snows in places like Boone and Jefferson. Then we're talking about rain again, and that comes in on Wednesday. Wednesday does look like a pretty soggy day. This moves out. We have a dry day on Tuesday. The next storm system is a Pacific storm system, so we're not talking about real cold air coming in behind it. In fact, once it does make its way to the Gulf Coast by Tuesday, there could actually be a little bit of severe weather. We'll keep a close eye on it. Right now, we're anticipating some rain to move in Wednesday. Most of the day, it looks like on Wednesday, is wet, and then we'll have some wraparound snow showers in the mountains for Thursday that could even continue into Friday. So let's have a look at our 7-day forecast. Again, Wednesday looks wet. It's breezy. Temperatures are pretty seasonable. They're in the upper 40s, close to 50. And we do have some dry skies for you again on Thursday and Friday.